Today we are looking at this simple biochemistry question, and this is which of these cell organelles is semi-autonomous and why? Which of these cell organelles is semi-autonomous and why? So these are the options: ribosome, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, vacuole. These are cell organelles. Cell organelles are those small structures that perform specific functions within the cell. And all these cell organelles depend on a particular organelle known as nucleus to function. Nucleus is the organelle that regulates or controls the activity of the cell, which means every other organelle within this cytoplasm, this is a structure of a cell. What you're seeing here now is a diagram of a cell. This is cytoplasm. These are these organelles. So they depend on nucleus. Nucleus regulates. However, there is this particular organelle that does not depend completely on nucleus. So on its own, it is semi-autonomous. That means it can still do some things without waiting for nucleus. So which organelle is that? Very interesting, simple, at the same time important question. So ribosome, let's look at the options. Ribosome. Ribosome contains RNA, ribosomal proteins. So it is dependent completely on nucleus because the nucleus has to initiate the production of protein. So ribosome is not correct. Golgi apparatus. This particular structure here you're seeing here is this Golgi apparatus. It is also known as Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus or Golgi body. This particular organelle contains series of stacked, flattened sacs or pouches known as cisternae. These things are cisternae. Its function is to modify, package, and transport lipids and proteins to their target areas. So it is dependent on nucleus too. Therefore, it is not the correct answer. Now, mitochondria. Before we talk about mitochondria, let's talk about vacuole. Vacuole, look at vacuole here. Vacuole is a place or a space like a lumen where the cell stores some of the food or even water that the cell might need in the future. So the amount that is stored here is regulated by the nucleus. Automatically, we have eliminated all these options. So mitochondria is an organelle. Look at the structure here. Most people know it as site for energy synthesis. Some people call it powerhouse of the cell. But mitochondria is able to produce some of its proteins. Mitochondria is the organelle that does not depend completely on the nucleus. That is, it is a semi-autonomous organelle. Why? Why? Because it has genes that helps it to produce some of its proteins. So today, the correct answer, whenever you are asked this kind of question, don't forget that the organelle that is semi-autonomous, that is, has ability to do some things on its own without depending solely on the nucleus, is mitochondria. So for informations, your questions, criticism, contribution, please put it on the comment section. Please remember to like this video, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you so much.